Hello, friend. It's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm a procurement agent, importer, and importation coach. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can contact 1688 customer support in order to solve your 1688 account resisted. Okay, so if that is sound great, all you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. But before I dive into tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to hit on the subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about 1688, you'll be notified and also you watch the video. And lastly, if you have any question as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So with that being said, let's dive into tutorial and see how you can get your 1688 account unrestricted step-by-step tutorial. So first thing to do, let's say for instance, this is my 1688 app right here. So what do I mean by account resisted is a situation whereby you finding it difficult to access your 1688 account. Maybe you were reported by supplier on 1688, or sometimes it might be an error restricted uh, of your account by 1688 platform. So different things can happen that can make your account got restricted. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video and see how you get your account back. All right, so let's say for instance, right here, I click on here as a normal way of accessing your profile. Okay, so by the time I click on here, then it's supposed to take me to my profile or a page like this, whereby I need to log in into the 1688 profile. But in some cases, so let's for instance, if I click on my Alipay right here, just to log in into my profile, then you can see my Alipay will connect. Okay, so right here I need to click on login. Okay, all right, so instead of logging in successfully, you can see what we have right here. Okay, so if you have issue like this, all you have to do is to make sure you watch the step I'm taking in this video and see how you get this account back successfully. So one of the way to get this account back successfully is to only contact customer support on 1688 app and report this case to them. Then from there, they will work on your Taba member name right here. So they will use this Taba member name to track the problem and solve the issue for you. Then from there, you will have full access to your 1688 profile back. Okay, now for you to contact 1688 customer support in this regard, you can see that you are not able to log in successfully. So you can see that you were not able to log in successfully, and it's going to be difficult for you to contact 1688 customer support because you just have to log in before you can have access to them. So in this regard, the only solution to go about this situation is that first of all, you have to make sure you screenshot this page. Okay, so having screenshot this page, so the next thing you need to do is to send this particular screenshot to another WhatsApp, to another phone. Okay, another phone that you can use to contact 1688 support. Now, for you to contact them, what you need to do is to make sure that you open a new 1688 account. When you open a new 1688 account with another phone, that does not mean that you need to verify your Alipay, stuff like that, before you can access your 1688. You just create a new 1688 account with your Alipay, create Alipay, first, when you create an Alipay, then use the same Alipay, and after you create an Alipay, download 1688 app. Once you download 1688 app, log in with Alipay. Okay, once you are able to log in with Alipay, you are going to have access to a new 1688 app. So I'm going to send this to my other phone. So I'm going to send the screenshot through WhatsApp. You can send the screenshot to any other any means that is very much convenient for you. But in this regard, the most convenient for me is to send it through WhatsApp. All right. So the purpose is just to make sure that we have this screenshot on the second phone that we are going to use to contact 1688 support. So this is where we're going to stop for the first section of how you can contact 1688 customer support if you have your account restricted on 1688. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.